Hello guys, and today I'm going to show you on how to make a fillable form. When we all make forms, we usually use Google.forms, Google Forms, or we use Microsoft Forms as form. So, like I'll show you, like we use this website to make a form in Google. But today I'm going to show you on how to make a form in Microsoft Word. So today I'm going to show you on how to make a form in Microsoft Word. It is really easy, and I'm going to show you also how to restrict the editing in Word, because otherwise people start editing the forms and then it won't be good, right? So we need to edit the restrictions. I mean, we need to restrict the people who are filling the forms in to not change the form title or something. So I'm going to show you on how to do that. With that, let's not waste any time. Let's jump in on the PC and see about that. Okay, I've created a new Word document, and I'm going to say, uh, I'll say phone subscription packs. Phone subscription packs. I'm going to make it bigger, center it, put a red color and everything. Now I'm going to create a table, references, insert table, and I'm going to create just a few. I can always increase the size of the table as you know. So I'm going to make the size a little smaller. I'm going to say your name, and our name will get filled in. Okay, your, one second. Let me change the color back to red. Your full name. Okay, I'll change it later. Your age. Sorry, I'm not sorry. Your phone number. Your desired plan. Your desired plan. Mode of payment. Start date. How did you hear about us? So this is what other things are going to use. How did you hear about us? The date. Yes. So now this by phone subscription packs, we've used your full name, your phone number, desired plan, your mode of payment, your start date, and how did you hear about us. So for this, we need to go to a tab called the Developers tab. Here we are going home, inside design, layout, preferences, mailings, review, view, help. So how do you get this references Developers tab? Many of you might not have a Developers tab. So how do you get to it? So I'm going to show you. Right click on the ribbon, anywhere on the ribbon, and say customize the ribbon. If you go here, there are hundreds of options. It's confusing. Just go to customize ribbon and you get this option here. Here, there is this thing called developers. So just give a click here and say, okay, we get this new tab called developers tab. There are some different things here in the developers tab. The code, that is macros. I've already created a video on macros, and the link is above here. The link is above. You can watch that if you don't know what a macro is. But for now, we're going to stick to making our form. So for our full name, we need something called this. There's something called a rich text content control and a plain text content control. I'll talk about the difference later at the end of the video because I need to show you a difference. So let's just insert a plain text content control. So I can just type my name here, right? I can type my name here. Rich text, the content control. Let me delete it and add it. Yes. Now your phone number also, I'm going to click plain text control. Your desired plan. Now I have only few plans. There is this thing called combo box content control or drop down list content control. So what's these two difference? In a combo box content control, there will be options, and if you don't want any of those options and you want to type your own option, you can type it. But In a drop-down list content control, you have to choose from the option. You have no other choice. So I'm going to insert combo text content control. Right now there are no items. We haven't chosen items. For that, we have to go to properties and we have to choose an item here. So let's say basic plan. Basic plan number one, premium plan number two, silver plan number three, and gold plan number four. I'm going to say okay, and then I get four options. That is a basic plan, a premium plan, a silver plan, and a gold plan. So any one of that options is what you could choose. Wet properties, go here and remove this. Choose an item plan, right? Choose an item plan. Now mode of payment. Now let's say I have only 2-3 mode of payments that I've given here, right? Where I have only 2-3 modes. So I'm going to insert this. So, and I go to properties again, and I'm going to say card, cash, or UPI. Okay, these are the three things. Okay, we'll add one. Net bank. Let's say they pay. Let's say they have another way to pay. For example, through PayPal, they can still type the thing here, PayPal. They can type it as well, right? They can type it. They are not restricted to choose from this list here. But in this, they have to choose. Even if I try to type anything, nothing is good. But here I can type something as well, even if the item is not on the list, right? So the item is not on the list as well. I can type it. Now start date, your plan start date. Now it would be great if I had that option. You get in those websites, right, where you choose the date. There's a round box. It's right here. It's called the date picker content control. I'm going to click on that. Tap to enter a date, and then this comes. This was what I was talking to. So 1st Jan 2022. You can change how it looks here. If you want it like this, if you want it like this. So I'll take this. It's fine. That's what we have wanted to do. I'll just say today. That is November 2021. I'm going to delete this for now. Delete this thing. One second. Okay, 1 second. So that is what is called date picker content control. That's what is called date picker content control. You can see how it works. And how did you hear about us? We're going to use rich text content control. What's the difference? Let me show you. Let me insert a rich text content control here, and let me insert a plain text content control, and let me type my name. My name is. In a rich text content control, I have more liberty to do things, such as my name. If I want the word name in blue, I can change my name to blue, and this can be in red, and this can be in maybe black. But here, even if I choose one item and change, the whole thing changes. Only name didn't change, but also everything else along with the name changed. So that is what is the difference between content, plain text content control, and rich text content control. You can also change on how it looks, properties of anything. You can check a bounding box, start an tag that looks like something like this. Or you could just choose none as well. It will be like this, right? So I'm fine with the default one, that's a bounding box. So that is all fine, and our form is ready. Now, if I give this form to somebody, they can be able to edit it, right? So how do I restrict that editing? Under the protect command, there's this thing called restrict editing. Now here I must click allow only this type of editing in the document, filling in forms, and yes, start enforcing protection. You can enter a new password, which is optional, which I won't do, so I'll just say okay. Now, if I send this form to everybody, I can't edit it. So if I try to edit it also, I'm not able to see. And my cursor is here, but it has to click here. See, I'm not able to edit it. See, so that's how you create a fillable form in Word. It's as good as creating it in Microsoft Forms, though you can't do sections as well, which maybe soon they'll invent to do sections like how you do Microsoft Forms or Google Forms. That's always for forms, right? So that's it. We are uh, done for filling forms. Like how do you fill forms as well? It's really easy. There's nothing hard in it. You have to get to the developers tab, create. That's the new tab if you do not have it. Most people don't have it if you haven't enabled it. And then you could check that options out. Then there's an image option as well. You could insert an image. You can ask them to insert an image. With this, I'll end this video here. If you like my video and if you learned something here, give this video a thumbs up. And also, if you if you want more content like this, please subscribe to the channel. If you wish to learn or make me cover another topic, please put that topic in the comments below, and I will show you on how to do that. With this, I'll end this video here. See you all next time.